Hello, welcome to my Excel lecture video. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to apply conditional formatting to dates between the 14th of January 2014 to 30th of January 2014. Let's get started. Now, this is my data, so I'm going to select cell B4 and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift right arrow to select the range and Ctrl backspace to go back up. And that's the first rule to applying formatting. The next, I'm going to click on conditional formatting and click on new rule. Then I'm going to click on format only cells that contains. Now I need to specify my criteria. Now inside the cell reference, I'm going to reference the value in cell C1, all in absolute, and the value in cell D1. Those are the two between dates. Then click on format. Now we actually want to apply red fill color, so I'm going to click on red, and this is the sample. Click on OK, and of course this is the preview. Finally click on OK. Now we can see that okay, this date 15th of January is actually between 14th and 30th of January, and the same thing with this 26, 30, 25, and when we scroll down we're going to see all other dates. Now this is how to apply conditional formatting to dates between. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. Bye for now. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.